Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro pushes the boundaries of basketball sneaker design, blending high-level performance with a bold visual statement. Crafted with Flyknit material, the shoe offers lightweight support and breathability, ideal for fast-paced, high-intensity play. A crisp white upper contrasts sharply with vivid court purple accents, honoring Kobe Bryant's storied legacy with the Los Angeles Lakers. Engineered for elite responsiveness, the midsole features Nike Zoom cushioning for comfort and impact protection. The low-top silhouette enhances agility, reflecting Kobe's quick, decisive style on the court. A uniquely patterned outsole ensures superior traction during dynamic movements. Subtle design elements, like Kobe's emblem on the tongue and heel, underscore his influence and dedication to the game. More than a performance shoe, this model stands as a testament to Nike's evolving design ethos, uniting technical innovation with minimalist aesthetics for a sneaker that appeals to both athletes and collectors.